Why content is really important in content marketing. So your content writing is very important in digital marketing. Now let's understand how a stranger gets into a customer field, then how he becomes a promoter. Let us look at an example. I want to go and visit Bangalore. So I've typed here best places to visit in Bangalore. The moment I drop my search query here, I'll be getting a lot of result on Google search engine result page like this. Now whatever you see in the written format, there are people to write this. So these are the results that you can see which do not have an AD extension are called as search engine optimization. Google likes quality content. Google like good content. Not only Google, along with Google, all the other search engines, they like quality content. Now let us pick one example. 42 places to visit in Bangalore. Let's open this. So this is the result which is being ranked for that particular term, places to visit in Bangalore from Holiday 5. Now who are they? They belong to a travel industry. Now you can see a lot of advertisement over here, and you can see a lot of other content written above and below. And most of this content writer will have a purpose. And now here is where you as a stranger gets attracted to the colorful and the meaningful information, and that is created as a content. Now you might turn out to a customer. These content are mostly published and written by for a purpose. Now let's look at one example. Let me click on this. We can see the image which is again in content. Now let's understand the content writing here. So here we have a beautiful title, Kabban Park, Bangalore overview. So content writer has given why should we go to Bangalore and the best time and the best places to visit. So I want to go for Kabban Park. So he has given all the photos related to Kabban Park and he has given all the details about Kabban Park. So reading at this, the people who are reading at this, they might get converted. How? So you can see the call to action at the bottom. So book Bangalore activities. So this is the call to action. So most of the content writer, they will write their content for this purpose, that is conversion. Now if this content is really good, I will start circulating with my social media networks. Okay. This is how, as a stranger, any visitor becomes a customer. So towards my left, you can see. So first and foremost thing, when the customer is searching for the content, you get to attract them by using a proper title, giving proper description. That makes him to click, which starts the engagement part. How do you engage them? So by giving a beautiful image and beautiful description, a breakup of the points at last concluded, then you will be having a call to action. You're delighting the customer, and from that point, he might buy a product from you. Then, if he buys a product and if he's really delighted, he becomes a promoter for you. If your content is really genuine and good, he will start circulating among their social media networks. This is actually the why part of content marketing.